park. It is huge.
I have the tickets. Let's go inside, team.
The sun is so bright. It is a perfect day.
Where is the giant slide? Oh, I want to go fast.
It is over there, Leo, near the blue castle. Yeah. I am ready to swim. Follow me.
Refreshing. The water mist feels so good.
Wait for me! I am the fastest!
Look at the waves. It looks like a real ocean.
It really does. The water is blue and very clear. Hold my hand, Leo. The water is getting deeper. Okay, Mommy. I've got you.
Whew. Whew. Surprise! Hey, who wants to play with water? Take that, Daddy!
Splash!
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 Listen! Oh. The big waves are coming now!
Whoa! A giant wave! Help, Mommy!
Jump, Leo! High! Very high! Woohoo!
Yeah!
That was amazing! I love this pool!
Whoa!
I do!
Again! I want one more big wave!
Oh, all right. One more time.
I feel so light. This is so relaxing.
Am I floating, Mommy? Look at me!
Yes, you are, sweetie. You're doing great.
I'm swimming! Look, I'm swimming!
The David boat is moving! Vroom, vroom!
Go, David!
Woohoo! Faster, David!
Time for the slides, Leo. Are you brave enough?
Whoa!
I am! Let's do it!
He is!
Keep going, Leo. We are almost there.
Yeah, almost!
Come on! The view from the top is beautiful!
I can see the whole world from here!
Hold on tight, Leo. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It is so fast! I love it!
Whee!
Whee! This is better than driving a car!
I did it! I was not scared at all! Oh!
I am coming for you, boys. Look out! Mom is very fast. She is a rocket! Good job, my brave boy. Give me a high five.
High five, Mommy! Let's do it again!
I am a bit tired, but it was so much fun.
Look at that big bowl! Can we go in there?
Of course, let's go! Hold on, we are spinning! Round and round!
I am dizzy. This is crazy. Hold your breath. Down we go. Whoa! Safe and sound.
That was the best slide.
Let's go to the lazy river. I need to rest. The water is warm. The sun feels nice.
This is peaceful. I could stay here forever.
I am a turtle. I am swimming to you.
We are a floating family. Together?
Together we go.
Okay.
Yeah!
Dad got wet. The elephant is funny.
The flowers are beautiful, even in the water. What a lovely ride! Now I am hungry.
Today was the best day ever. Thank you, Maya. Dinner is served. Hot dogs and ice cream.
Mmm. Cold and sweet. I love pink ice cream.
Watermelon is so refreshing. It is very healthy.
Orange juice gives us energy.
Drink up.
Drink up.
The sun looks like a giant orange fruit. We must keep the park clean. No trash.
That's right, Leo.
Well done. You're doing great. Goodbye, Big Slide. I will see you next time.
The lights are coming on. Everything is sparkling.
Time to go home.
We are a happy family.
Put on your seatbelt, Leo. Safety first. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching our adventure.